perfect moment and this perfect day for her. And, I couldn't be more grateful for how it all turned out and how it came together today.
Absolutely perfect. Was not expecting it at all, which I'm really, really surprised I didn't pick up on a hint. So it was incredible. I'm super excited for what the future holds.
1, 2, 3, 4. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect.
As my fiance, I'm just so excited for all you bring to my life. I know we've talked about our future and our goals and where we want to go, and this is us putting one foot forward to the hopes and dreams and the many things we're both going to accomplish in the future. And just want to say I love you, and I'll love you every day.
I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, carry children of our own. 'Cause we are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright.
I'm beyond blessed to be in my life. Can't really explain it, but you get me and balance me out, and you put up with me at my worst and my best, and that's true love. So I love you.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. No, I don't deserve this, darling, you look perfect tonight.
It was amazing. I can really speak to Handy. Was great. Very informative. Gave me a lot of great ideas. I was so happy I found you on the internet, because I had no idea how I was going to be able to put this proposal together, especially this proportion in Bali. I'm coming from America, and back there I could put things together, but here is a completely new world, and appreciate. I was nervous how I was going to plan it all out, and you really kept me calm. You helped walk me through, all the different planning. And, today everything, went off flawless. I couldn't be more impressed with the company, with Proposal Envy, and, how everything went. And I would, recommend it to anybody. It was an amazing experience, and I know me and Wendy will treasure it forever.